Working from home or managing a creative space in a small area doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or productivity. In 2025, smart workspace design is all about functionality, organization, and aesthetic appeal, no matter how compact your room is. Today, we'll explore small workspace hacks that help you create a stylish, comfortable, and efficient home office, even in the tightest corners of your home. 1. Choose the right spot. The first step is finding the perfect location. Even a small corner, understair area, or unused wall can be transformed into a productive workspace. Natural light is key. Position your desk near a window to boost focus and energy. If natural light isn't available, use warm task lighting to brighten the area and reduce eye strain. Design tip: add a compact floor lamp or LED strip lighting for soft, balanced illumination. 2. Compact and multifunctional furniture. When space is limited, every piece of furniture must work double duty. Choose foldable desks, wall-mounted workstations, or modular tables that can adapt to your needs. Storage integrated desks or floating shelves keep your workspace clutter-free and efficient. In 2025, minimalist furniture with clean lines and smart compartments is leading the trend. Design tip: go for light-colored or transparent furniture to create an illusion of more space. 3. Vertical storage solutions. Don't let your walls go to waste. Use them smartly. Install floating shelves, pegboards, or tall cabinets to store documents, stationery, and tech accessories. Vertical organization maximizes space and keeps your work surface open for creativity and productivity. It also helps maintain a clean and modern aesthetic. Design tip: use matching storage baskets or labeled boxes to keep everything organized and visually tidy. 4. Declutter and simplify. A messy workspace leads to a cluttered mind. Keep only what you need on your desk, your laptop, notepad, and a few essentials. Hide cables. Using clips or cord organizers for a cleaner look. Minimalism is not just about design, it's about mental clarity and better focus. Design tip: create a digital filing system to reduce paper clutter and maintain a neat environment. 5. Personalize with style. A small workspace should still reflect your personality. Add a touch of greenery with small potted plants, hang motivational art, or display a few favorite books. Stick to a cohesive color scheme that complements the rest of your home's interior. Warm neutrals, soft grays, or muted pastels help the space feel calm and cohesive. Design tip: avoid over-decorating. 1 or 2 statement items are enough to add charm without crowding. 6. Smart lighting and ambience. Lighting directly affects productivity. Layer your lighting with a combination of natural, task, and accent lights. Warm white lights create comfort, while daylight bulbs enhance concentration. You can even add smart lighting to adjust brightness levels depending on your work mood or time of day. Design tip: position a focused desk lamp at a 45-degree angle to reduce shadows while working. 7. Ergonomics in small spaces. Comfort is non-negotiable, even in compact offices. Choose a supportive chair with adjustable height and good back support. Your screen should be at eye level, and your arms should rest comfortably while typing. An ergonomic setup ensures you stay productive without strain. Design tip: add a small footrest or monitor riser to improve posture and reduce fatigue. 8. Creative dividers and privacy. If your workspace is part of a living room or bedroom, use room dividers or curtains to visually separate it. You can also use wood panels, glass partitions, or even tall plants to create boundaries while maintaining openness. This helps you mentally switch between work mode and home mode, key for balance in small living areas. Design tip: opt for light, semi-transparent dividers to maintain brightness and airflow. Digital efficiency and minimal setup. In 2025, the modern workspace is all about going digital. Use wireless accessories, cloud storage, and compact tech devices to reduce clutter. A sleek monitor setup or laptop stand keeps the space efficient and organized, while still looking professional. Design tip: regularly update and tidy your digital files to keep your workflow smooth. A small space can make a big impact when designed with purpose and style. By combining multifunctional furniture, vertical storage, elegant lighting, and minimal decor, you can build a workspace that enhances both productivity and peace of mind. Whether it's a compact home office or a creative corner, your workspace deserves thoughtful design. For custom furniture, space-saving solutions, and modern home interiors, visit fixitdubai.ae, Dubai's trusted name for innovative and elegant interiors. Redefine your workspace with Fixit Dubai, where smart design meets stylish living.